I am at Universal's Cabana Bay in Orlando, Florida, where you're going to do a room tour. This is a retro-themed resort, and I am staying in a family suite with interior access. So when you first come in, you have a little kitchenette, microwave, some storage, coffee, small sink. You do have a decent sized mini fridge. The sofa does pull out into a bed. So this room sleeps 6. They have a few different family suites. They look the same. They just have different entry or views. You have 2 drawers right here for storage and a TV in here. And then when we go look in the main area, you have 2 beds and there's additional storage over here. I do want to point out real quick that we have a divider for privacy. So you can shut that if you want to put, kids to bed, take a nap, and you can sit in here and watch TV, or just keep, maybe younger kids separate from the older ones that maybe are staying up and watching TV. Either way, it's a nice feature. They have several outlets by the bed. Notice the very retro clock next to the bed, fitting with the theme of the room. And as I said, you do have a TV in here. My view is just of the parking garage, but there is a closet. So you're not tripping over your bags. You can hang some of your stuff up. And they do have a small safe. And there's some storage down there as well. Let's check out the bathroom. We'll start with the toilet, because there's 3 different areas. Toilet, basic. It does have a door. So you can have one person using the bathroom. You have one person brushing their teeth or getting ready, and then another person in here showering and doing their own thing. And look at this, VO5. When I first saw that, I was kind of surprised, and then it hit me again. It's probably keeping with the theme of the room. I didn't even know they still made VO5. So that's pretty cool. I like how they're sticking to the themed part of the room. Not much storage where the bathtub is, but this area has some storage under the sink with a shelf and a couple drawers. And that is it. That is the family suite, sleeps 6 at Universal's Cabana Bay in Orlando.